What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have this full motion TV wall mount. We reviewed one a little while ago and it was a fail, you guys. It didn't fit the TV because we didn't have these extra brackets right here. So with these extra brackets, it should fit our TV, whether it's being 32 inches or not. So the last time we got one and it just had this part right here. So now we should be good. So let's go ahead and get into it. We have the instructions, hardware. And we have a lot of hardware here, you guys. More than normal. Yep, this one has a leveler, you guys, but we have our own right there. All right, you guys. It seems just like the last one. Bigger. A little bit. Seems a little bit bigger, right? Mm-hmm. All right. So we are going to go ahead, start putting this up. Now, when you look at this, it's usually an arrow. So arrow is right here. That means up. So that means it goes on this way. Take these screws out because we're going to screw directly onto our stud. So we have arrows on the inside. They gave us 3 screws, but I believe we just need 2, but we can put 3 on if we need to.
Right there.
All right, get a pencil. You can mark the middle one too. We'll put 3 of them in. Let me get the other one. My impact.
Want to pause it?
No, good. Hello. Are you crazy, boy? Oh, goodness. Got crazy kids. All right, you guys, this is the life of a product reviewer. Woo, so many stairs.
So this is level, please.
Part 1-2, which is, so C and D, which they said right there, we need C and then we need D. So we're gonna get C and D right now. All right, so my wife put the 4 nuts and the screws on right here. And the way she did it was she went underneath. So this is what it looks like. All right, underneath. So basically this part will be flat on your TV. All right. So these came on the TV already. So we need to use the head into the hardware. Yeah, hardware, guys. All right, now they give us our little wrench right here, which we can do our side we can, but I'm not put too much pressure on it, so just tighten it and actually not twist it. So I actually tighten it real tight already. All right. Now when you do this, you want to put this on a low setting. Okay. You want to put this on a low setting, you guys, because you're dealing with your TV, electronics, and we're going to put it on a setting to where we're not going to break our TV. So you see how it stops by itself? Now, you can use a regular screwdriver. I will probably recommend you doing that if you're not really used to using a drill gun and you're just going to. All right, so always reduce your settings when you're messing with your electronics. All right, so I believe you took 2 screws over here, right?
Yes, they're right there.
All right, so my wife took 2 screws over here. So in order to level your TV, these 2 screws will probably be your leading cost right here. So we're going to go ahead and put it up. We're going to have this hook right here. So what you want to do is put it on the back hook right here. All right, you guys. So this is where the 2 screws become very important. All right. Is that level?
Yep.
All right. All right, you guys. The TV is up. Nice and simple. Not too much Didn't take too long. We have another TV that we have to put up.
Watch the TVs. Watch your head. Remember, don't be all.
I know. What a show.
But you gotta remember to do what when you leave the room?
To put it back?
Yes.
Right. But like he only.
All right, you guys, the TV is up and the motion of it is pretty good. It's not hard to move. It's not hard to adjust. My son just adjusted so it could go in the angle so he can look at it. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.